Hey, did you pull the plug and get the water out of the cylinders yet?
There's nothing in there.
No.
Got it.
How do you know there's nothing?
Because there's no water and oil or nothing.
That don't mean nothing.
Really?
Hey, the rings will hold the water.
It moves, the motor moves.
Oh, it does?
Dude, this bitch is not making it down the road.
Hell yeah, it will.
Okay.
It's fucked, it ain't doing it.
I wish we could find the wires.
Bump start it.
Huh?
I hear clicking.
We need some jump cables.
Bump start it.
How's lights work?
Just
Yeah.
pull it in gear.
Push that ripper before you do it.
It'll turn the engine to start
Huh?
it.
I don't know where I'm gonna put that yet.
Are they?
Yeah. We got power.
Starter's lock.
Yep. You got a hammer?
Whoa! Did we have dash lights?
Yeah, I got a little seatbelt guy. I did. Belt guy. I hear a blower motor.
You do?
Here's that.
Well, turn that shit off.
I don't know how. I can't get my fingers in there.
Where'd all of it go? That looks good. We can pull start, do you think?
Where's the starter at?
On the other side.
Back the starter. Hey, pull starter with the G. Huh? Pull starter with the G. Alright. Yeah. Can't get too deep. Hey, you
Try
know
it,
what?
Jimmy.
Let's
Oh,
use
no.
it. Yeah, I'll put it down. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, there it went. It moved.
Let it charge up for a minute.
What could go wrong?
What the hell's that? Oh, that's
Should we take that off?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
You got the thing?
Oh my god.
Yeah, why was it even on there?
Jimmy.
Alright, Jimmy. Give her a
Jimmy,
shot.
hold that.
Here, I'll throw it in the bag.
Turn it nuts.
Hold it wide.
Yes.
Oh, I was holding the starter still.
Alright, I'm going.
I mean, I said that, didn't I, Chris? What?
Yeah, but then you threw it on. I'm the starter.
Yes.
That ain't going down the road.
Look at the fender rubbing. It runs, dude.
Where's he going?
Right, oh, right there.
That's a fucking...
Hey, you can't park there. Yeah, you got that fucked up bad.
Can't work here.
Now it's stuck on the log.
Damn it, we just hit the strap off the front.
There's one on the back.
You gotta hook the trailer to this bike.
Oh, that's cool.
That's Thor's hammer.
Think I can get it? Oh!
Oh, dude, I wouldn't.
Hey, last time Devin drove, it ended up like that Jeep.
You better put your seatbelt on, bud.
Shit, bud. Hey, there's no brakes.
Get up there, Jimmy. I need a video. That worked.
What the fuck?
Chris is always the driver.
There you go. Get on there naked, dude. That'd be great.
Why do you want to see him naked, man?
Because, dude, that picture is funny as shit.
Hey, you might want to straighten her up, bud.
Oh shit! Oh!
Jamie, grab them strap.
Like literally only.
Hey, somebody, hey, pour the beer over the muffler and get it in the round.
The tire's gonna slide.
That would be another Devin thing to do. He can't do everything.
I'll do the burnout.
Alright. Huh?
What do you think, Devin?
What?
I got two.
I do the burnout.
Yeah, we need two.
And somebody pours the beer on the air of the exhaust and you drink it.
I'm not
Should do
doing
that.
that idea.
Have you ever seen that?
Yes.
I'm not doing that. Go dip while you're going. Right here. I got hooked to a fucking throttle. Start in second.
Just go and leave.
Yeah, start in second.
Hey, you can feel it.
That's so funny.
Tire's not that bad.
Too much. That was too much.
Look, it was right in the crease. Look at the fucking treads.
Warm, dude.
Look at the treads. They're like,
I know.
Leaking some coolant.
Yeah, no. It's not good. That's not happening. Why are we pushing for one? We got all these fucking trucks.
We have jumper cables right over there.
Where?
Over there?
Wow. Hey, somebody grab this. Get
Collins
out of
is
my way.
hanging
I
out.
got gloves. Yeah, in my truck.
Everything's in Collins' truck.
Oh, what the fuck? The chair moved.
Oh, they don't. It might.
have my wallet.
Why need your wallet? Here's a pen.
If it rains, you need your wallet.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, what am I doing with this thing now? I'm so caught.
You're on the wiper.
Try to not let it fall on the ground.
That's impossible.
There we go.
How are we gonna get this bitch running?
Max has jumpers.
We gotta get. I have jumper cables too. Just set it in the back seat of the Jeep. I don't see it. You can usually see it coming.
Got the goggles on, bud. You gonna try starting in neutral?
Your terminal, watch it.
Yeah,
what you're doing?
Start it in neutral, so then we can push them and tow them first. You tap them together, make sure we got power.
Yeah, I can see that thing hot. I'm hooked down. Your helmet should be up front, shouldn't it? Yeah.
There we go. Get in there, Jimmy. I just put it in third or fourth.
Why? So I can add that?
What? Then you just pull it out of gear. You can pull it out of gear going speed. Make sure the key's on, Jimmy. That worked pretty well.
Riding with
That worked, huh? Conwell's riding with you.
What about the dog?
Radio's not
I
working.
want to know what that squealing is.
I wouldn't be too concerned.
I'm scared to blow up.
That's better. It's much better.
Where are we going? Over, across and over.
Hello. What?
Hey, we're going. We're going.
Out there? I can't hear you, babe.
Yeah, go now. Oh, the dirt bike. It's good. No. What the fuck?
Hey, Devin, what do you think about that?
The bike.
The gravel will stop. Right here, good?
Yeah, that's good. See it running.
It's the water pump.
Dude, that's so funny.
He said, cut off in the ditch.
How's it feel? How's it drive?
I got the dirt.
Said he got the dirt.
Uh-oh. We're good. Go now, go now. Get it going now. Uh-oh. Might as well wait. Just wait, just wait. Wave at him. Wave at him.
It's like it's normal.
I got a video of everything. I was recording when the bike fell off. Everything.
You about shit.
Conwell probably was too. Were you recording all that?
I go, the bike's about to fall off. He goes, no, the bike's not right. He turns down and goes, maybe not.
It wasn't going anywhere. It was strapped in.
Rubbing on the tire.
Yeah.